my name is
Melody.
Yep. And we're going to show you
How to make frosting.
right. Show them your cookies you made already. Show
Oh.
'em. Can you show them real close? Just go like this.
These cookies are improbable.
Are improbable.
If you drop one, they will break. Oh,
They are breakable.
I broke one.
You did break one. That's okay. That's one we frost and we'll eat. Okay, so here's the perfect frosting. Ready? Let's begin. Let's get a cup of powdered sugar. Say a cup of powdered sugar.
Yeah, except we're not gonna use that mixer, the blue one.
The
We're
KitchenAid.
Yeah, the KitchenAid. We're gonna use this bowl and mix it with a scooper.
We are. So here's a cup of sugar. Powdered sugar.
Mix it.
Sure. All right, now we're gonna do, okay, hold on. Don't, wait 1 second because we're gonna mix this in it. We're gonna do butter softened. You're gonna do,
It's already soft.
it is already soft. So you're gonna do 3 tablespoons. And so you can see butter, it's already, there we go, let's put that in there. It's already
Mix.
measured for you in all the tablespoons.
Mix it.
Go ahead. That's 1,
Butter.
2, oh, hold on. 2. Let's just wait and see how much pop that makes. Okay, hold on 1 second. This is what Mom does. Hold on. Okay, first we do this. So hold that real quick. Hold that and then watch. You're gonna mix the butter and the sugar, powdered sugar together like this. I'm gonna kind of get the dry stuff together first, and then we'll add the milk and the orange extract, your favorite part. So you gotta make sure all that
This
butter is
smells
mixed with the
good.
powdered sugar.
This is smell good.
This is all good. Do you want that as perfume? Don't lick that, that's butter. I saw that little tongue. Get the rest of that butter out. Okay, now we're gonna add the milk.
Milk.
Always do milk a tablespoon at a time, because if you add too much milk,
I love eating cookies.
I love eating cookies too.
One's are for Santa, one's are for you.
That's true. Okay, there's 1 tablespoon.
Mix it.
Yeah, let me make sure that's mixed with the butter.
Can I mix after you?
Yeah. See, once you get that like yellowy stuff, you know that's all mixed. All right, now I can do more. So mix. Make it a little bit easier for you. 1 more tablespoon of milk. See how that's getting? Perfect. Good. See how that's turning into frosting, but it's a little dry. Just keep mixing. This is when we're gonna add a teaspoon of orange extract.
Oh, my favorite bite.
Your favorite part, you wanna smell it? Okay, mix it again. See how it's getting thinner and easier?
This is so easy.
Good job, bub. Okay, hold on. I know, you want to look at. Alright, let mommy try one more time. All around there.
You could put sprinkles on these.
Okay, we want it a little bit thinner than this. So we're going to add just a little bit more milk. Because that's just a little too thick for sugar cookies. Let's add a teaspoon instead of tablespoon of milk. Hold on. Alright, mix it. Good job. See how that's getting easier?
Yeah.
So you want your frosting, okay, let me see it, show them, bub. Let go real quick. You want your frosting like that. So just mix and then taste to make sure it's perfect. No, not like that, here. Let's do that. Ready? Is that perfect? And then, this is our secret way to decorate cookies. Here, hold that, bub. Then we're gonna just dip the cookie. Like that. And place it on a cookie sheet. then which one do you want to do? Gold or silver sprinkles?
Gold.
Gold. Okay, go do the gold sprinkles. I'm gonna do Santa while you do that.
Dump it on your hand.
Good job, bud.
I dump it on my hand. Whoa. I'm okay.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's alright. That's perfect. Alright, now let's just do this one. Let's do...
Oh, you did too much.
No more sprinkles. Just leave that. No more sprinkles, babe.
Put it back in.
Don't worry. Hey, no, just leave it. We don't want to put it back in. We don't want to use that again. Okay, we're going to put a couple sprinkles on Shanna's hat and then Santa's beard. June, just leave that, babe.
Okay.
See that? Can you see that? This is the best frosting ever, I promise. Hey, don't worry about that. Really, don't worry about it. It's okay. We have more sprinkles. We have so many sprinkles, remember? Now what we usually do is, of course, you always start off with white and then you separate it in 3 or 4 bowls, however many colors you're going to do, and then you add the food coloring in every one of those. But we try to do as much white as possible so we don't have to add any food coloring. And let's stop eating the sprinkles.
Yum, yum. Yummy.
Sprinkles your favorite part. So is that easy? Show them your little star. That's your star.
Can I put
It's the
some
easy recipe
gold ones
ever.
on Santa?
No, we'll do it on this one, this star. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Take a thumbs up if you want to see more of these
Ooh,
videos.
I like
Bye.
that.